husband, I'm going to make you a very nice cup of pu'er, and the age is 2013, so it's 7 years old. So what I would do is just like, you need a break. This is the like whole break, 1 pound. So I'm going to break a little bit. You break up here, okay? So I show you how to do that. You can do it every morning yourself. I'm using a Yixing teapot. The Yixing teapot, this one I use is the dark color. Dark color for pu'er, light color for oolong. So put it right here. Now first we need to do the cleansing, remember that. And the boiling water. You have to cleanse all over. Make sure it's evenly hot, even the cups. Okay. Okay, then you open up, or put a little bit, just a little bit of the water, hot water. And then you toss it back out. Cleansing. It's not wasting any tea. Don't worry. It's the first shot cleansing. Make sure that the inside and outside is evenly hot. Now you pour the very boiling water. Pour, let it steep for it's a 5 minutes to 6 minutes. But actually, it's good for 2 or 3 steeping. Now for this one here, you just toss it out. And you can do 2 kinds. You can just steep it in the little Gaiwan here. So you like it that this enough for it's cleansing the leaves. And then you step to the top. Okay, it's ready for 6 minutes. The time. Flip it twice and it will be ready. To the tea. First I boil the water. It's 4 cups of boiling water. And I put 4 teaspoons of pu'er tea inside. The pu'er tea is a truly fermented tea. Here you go. This is a pu'er tea leaves look like. I put 4 teaspoons of the tea leaves in there. And the proportion is like for 1 teaspoon for 1 cup of boiling water. And you have to steep it for 5 minutes. And then another major ingredient is a goat milk for the Mongolian and the yak milk for the Tibetans. Put a little pinch of salt in the tea too. And then you finish up the top with a ghee or the butter. Okay, so now have been steeped for 5 minutes already. So I'm just slowly pour the goat milk in to the tea and let it steep a little bit longer. The proportion of the boiling tea with the goat milk is a 2 to 1. So if you want to cut down to the 2 cups of boiling water and the 1 cup of the goat milk, It's fun too. So remember the 2-to-1 proportion. When you're done after like another 5 minutes steeping, slow cooking, a little slow temperature, see? Then you top it with a ghee, and in the Mongolian they put a little wheat crackers or the rice or the rice puff or something on the top. They eat it as a meal. They're not eating it just for a drink. Good luck.